Hi Alt K. Today we are reading Animal Go Round. It's a turn the wheel and see the animals grow book written by Johnny Morris, and there is no illustrator because they're actual photographs. It is a non-fiction book about baby animals and how they grow. Duckling. Mother duck keeps her eggs warm. Each duckling inside will grow into a duck. Turn the wheel and you'll see. The yellow duckling hatches out of his eggshell and cheeps to Mom. Mom quacks back and leads all her ducklings to the water. The hungry little duckling pokes his beak among the plants looking for insects to eat. Then the downy duckling plops into the water and paddles with his webbed feet. On the wheel it says, I have just hatched out of my eggshell. I can see and hear. I can cheep too. Now I am 7 days old. That's only a week. My webbed feet make me a good swimmer. At 3 weeks old, my yellow down is falling out and white feathers are growing in. It looks a little silly. I am 6 weeks old. My white feathers have grown and my wings are strong. Oh, a kitten. 3 helpless kittens will grow into playful cats. Watch one grow as the wheel turns. Kittens open their eyes after 2 weeks. Then they go exploring. The world looks very big to a tiny kitten. Kittens practice chasing, pouncing, and hunting. They learn to wash themselves too. Kittens can make themselves comfortable wherever they are. Then they sleep and sleep. Night night. Let's see what's going on with the wheel. Oh, I was just born. My eyes and ears are not working yet. I am sleepy most of the time. I am 4 weeks old now. My ears are starting to prick up. My legs are growing strong. I am 8 weeks old. My eyes are changing color from blue to brown. I can see clearly. I am 10 weeks old. I am nearly grown up. My fur is sleek and my tail is long. Let's see who's next after the kitten. Oh, a frog. Mother frog lays her eggs called frog spawn in the water. Watch the egg change into a frog by turning the wheel. Wiggly tadpoles hatch out of the eggs and swim about. Soon each tadpole starts to change. They grow legs and their tails get shorter. Just like a magic trick, the tadpole changes into a frog. But if you ask him how he does it, he will not tell you. He is far too busy catching flies. Let's turn the wheel. There are hundreds of tiny tadpoles waiting to hatch out of this frog spawn. I am one of them. Look like a lot of seeds and jelly. I've just hatched. I'm a wiggly tadpole. I have a long tail and no legs. Looks like a seed. I am 12 weeks old. I have springy legs and my tail is much, much shorter. Finally, I am a fully grown frog. My back legs are strong. I hop around and look for insects. Oh, a rabbit. Spin the wheel to see this timid little baby grow into a big bouncy rabbit. Rabbits grow up quickly. They eat and eat whenever they can. If there is only grass for supper, they will eat it, but they prefer carrots. They may have to hide in case there are any frisky cats or dogs around. Spin the wheel. Oh, I'm a newborn rabbit. I cannot see or hear. I stay close to Mom in my warm nest. Remember, the baby kitten was like that too. It cannot see when it's first born or hear. I am 2 weeks old. I can see and hear now. My white fur coat is starting to grow. I am 4 weeks old. My ears are growing long. I can hear the faintest sounds. So that's only in a month. I am 6 weeks old and fully grown. I like exploring in gardens. I find lots of carrots to eat. All right, let's see who's next. Oh, it's a baby lamb. Here are twin lambs. Oh, tiny twin lambs. In one turn of the wheel, see a lamb grow into a fleecy sheep. Baby lambs are very shy creatures. They spend a lot of time resting. but they also love to run and jump in the field. Sheep like being together in a flock. Perhaps they tell each other nursery rhymes. Well, that is silly. On the wheel it says, I am a newborn lamb. My legs are wobbly. My fleecy coat keeps me warm. I am 1 week old. The world looks very exciting, but I don't stray far from my mother. I am 8 weeks old. It does not want to turn. And I love nibbling fresh grass. My legs are strong for running around. Wow, that lamb has gotten very big in 2 months. I am 12 weeks old. My wool coat is growing thick. I am almost as big as my mom. All right, back to the baby and turn the page. Oh, a puppy. 3 new pups are asleep. See a puppy turn into a dog as the wheel goes around. Hungry young puppies lick their bowls clean after every meal. They love chewing real bones, rubber bones, and anybody's slippers. Puppies play and pretend to fight. This makes them strong. Now they're waiting quietly to go for a walk. What good doggies. Oh, they're so cute. On the wheel it says, I am a newborn puppy. My legs are very weak. I cannot see or hear at all. That's just like the lamb and, just like the bunny and the kitten. In 3 weeks, I've grown a lot. I like playing with my brothers and sisters. Now I am 6 weeks old. My teeth are sharp, so I need to be careful when I play. I'm 8 weeks old. At last, I'm big enough to go out for a long walk. All right. Ooh, a butterfly. Turn the wheel and you will see the caterpillar inside this little yellow egg grow up. The caterpillar hatches out in colorful stripes. It eats and eats and eats. Then it makes silk thread to wrap itself up in and goes to sleep. It sleeps for 3 weeks and slowly changes into a butterfly. See how the lovely colors have changed. I think that is a yellow swallowtail. That is a very pretty butterfly. On the wheel it says, I'm about to hatch out of this small, round, yellow egg. It will take just a minute. I'm a caterpillar. I like eating leaves and I am very hungry all the time. This is me. My body is starting to change. In 3 weeks, I will be a butterfly. I'm a lovely butterfly. My wings are spread. At last, I am ready to fly. I like all the little inchworms that are going around the page. All right, last page. Chick. This chick is 1 hour old. He will grow into a handsome rooster with 1 turn of the wheel. His sister tells him to follow Mom and the others. The chicks copy everything their mother does. That's how they learn. If a chick is frightened, he runs to Mother Hen, but he's not frightened. All he wants is to be carried. Lazy little thing. Oh, look at the baby chick up on top of the mom's back. That's pretty funny. All right, let's turn the wheel. I'm a chick. I have just hatched out of my egg. I am covered in soft down. After 8 days, new grown-up feathers start to grow on tiny wings. Wow, that is fast. Whoa! Now I'm 2 weeks old. My feathers look very funny. It does look funny. That's only 2 weeks. I am 8 weeks old. All my feathers have grown, and I have a bright red comb. All right. So I hope you enjoyed Animal Go Round.